Guys, there's no band. So I just wanted to hop on this video because I keep hearing about people talking about this brand of bonding solution so that you could put on extra eyelashes. I'm so sick of using mascara, and then at the end of the day when I go to wipe off the mascara, it's like all dark, and it takes a couple days for me to actually remove all the mascara from my eyes. So I wanted to try this and see how it goes. In this little kit, they have the applicator, and then they have the little extra lashes. And then I also went to the dollar store and I got some extra ones. And I got some scissors as well. So I'll probably cut these up. Because I mean, like, these don't really, these don't really look like enough, I guess. It doesn't look like enough, so. I never thought of applying it this way, but they say that you should apply the lash underneath. I'll get into it, but you should apply it underneath, and I was like, I never thought of that. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. Alright, the first step is the bond side. Take the bond side. Okay, I also have a mirror right here too, so if I look this way, it's only because I'm looking at a mirror. I'm gonna coat all of this. Fudge. Ow. Next side. Oh wait, no, let's just do this one at a time. Yeah, let's do this one at a time. See how this goes. I'm gonna look over here. Okay, I did the first one. Let me see if I could do it in the camera for y'all. I just lift up my eye. Take that. And just fan it underneath. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Are you serious? Honestly, like, thinking, do I even need to cut this? They look so natural. Like, I really like that. So basically, the bond side is like the glue, the adhesive to put the lashes on, and I didn't know it was gonna be black. In my head I was thinking like it was gonna be clear or something, but it's black. And then the seal side, so after you're done doing everything, and they say with the bond side, a little bit goes a long way, so like don't overdo it like mascara or anything. And the seal side, you just want to tap it underneath. Fudge, I always do that. You just want to tap it underneath where you put them. And should be good to go. Apparently there's an overnight applicator too, so if you want to keep these on for like a couple of days, they have like a solution for you. I got the Falscara from Ulta Beauty. I think it was $16.99, and they're having like a discount this week, so it came to like $14.99. And so if you're interested, it's at Ulta. I think it's at Target. I want to say they have it at Walgreens and Walmart as well. Maybe tonight I'll do like a little video on how I felt about it. I just want to try something different, see how it goes, and I'll let y'all know. Okay, I just woke up, and during the night, these girls fell. So I did not go and get that overnight applicator, so that's on me. But I wanted to see how it goes. This is how they look though. But yeah, 2 of them came off. And yesterday, the whole day, it really wasn't even bad. Like when I was at work, there wasn't a problem. They don't feel heavy. It doesn't irritate my eyes. I don't feel them at all. So they're pretty good. So I'm gonna get ready for the day. Alright, it's the next day. It's like day 2. So I woke up. Those lashes came off. I never got that overnight applicator. So I took off like the rest that were on there, and then I ended up using the dollar store ones. I just cut them up and put them on my eyes. But I don't know how I feel about it. I'm gonna give it like another day to see how I really feel about this Falscara stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and let y'all, give y'all a little update. Alright, I'm going on probably about the 6th day or the 7th day that I've had used this product, right? It's all like, I'm about to give y'all a little review of it. But yeah, so I've been doing this for about a week now, and honestly, I don't know how to feel about it. Like, it's nice to not have a visible band of lash at the top. I'm probably on like lash set 3. Like, it came with that first set of lashes, and that lasted me about a good 3 days, and then it wouldn't cooperate with me anymore. So I was like, okay, throw this one away. So then I used the Dollar Tree ones, and those lasted me like 2 days because they were so cheap. It would just easily be able to fall off of that little clear band that it had. And then the ones that I have on today, I've been wearing these for 2 days, and of course they come off at night in my sleep. I didn't go get that overnight applicator like I was gonna say, so kind of it's just really a focus on this product in itself. But I have on the lashes by Ioni, that's what it's called, and I think it's just medium length wisps. Yeah, I like them. They're alright. If I had to rate this product, I would give it a 7 out of 10, just because I have been able to wear the lashes all throughout the day. They don't fall off. They don't give me a hard time. It's a pretty easy process to apply them, but I have noticed that when the lashes do come off, my actual real lashes are tough. If you had used like glue, my real lashes are pretty tough when I've been waking up in the morning. So I literally will try to do like hot water. I'll run hot water and I'll just try to like soak it, like use my fingers under the water and just like soak my lashes. There were people in other videos that commented and said that they used like a oil to get rid of the product itself, but I didn't actually go and get any oil. So the one thing that I don't like about this product is the fact that it is black. So when you put this girl on, let me just show you. See, it's black. You've probably seen it in the previous video that I did. But I have noticed too, like, it's kind of, okay, it's coming off pretty good, but I feel like they don't fill this up a lot, because when I try to apply it to my lashes, it really doesn't seem like there's a lot going onto my eyelash anymore. So would I recommend this product? I feel like yeah, because I honestly haven't lost any eyelashes. I'll probably take these off like this weekend. But like every day I had to really reapply these lashes. So if that's something that you don't want to do, if you don't want to be reapplying the lashes every day, maybe look into that overnight applicator too. Now, if you like videos like this where I do reviews on beauty products or skincare products, make sure you like the video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video.